Hey man, the technology gods is on my ass. I can't make it up. I can't make it up. Don't worry, we're gonna get back to it. Do not worry, we are here. So here we go. Hey, y'all got the information though, right? As long as y'all got the information, I'll go back and show the beautiful Patreon posts and the beautiful goddesses, the oh so beautiful goddesses. So you are a star, as above, so below. You are literally looking at yourself from above, and you're a star dreaming dreams, right? You're enfolded, right? To the quantum. The quantum is the smartest particle broken down. From that smallest particle comes your light, and your light is a shining star. So when you do your work within, your light shines bright in this illusionary world. Right? Hey, I can't make it up. You're a light being, you're a light code, right? Right? And I'm gonna show you all with the the pretty numbers and all of that. I'll go back and show y'all. I might. But at the end of the day, right? We're trying to get back to the real, the world of the real, right? And this is what we're going to talk about in the Make Manifest course, right? You're diving in to the lowest part, the smallest unit of yourself to get back to the real world. That's what Panic was talking about, right? So what I got right here, quantum wave surfing, right? Just like the earth has waves, so do you. As above, so below. These waves consist of zeros and ones, numbers, right? The universe is made of numbers. The universe is math. Universe, one song. So y'all know the song notes and all of that, right? We're waves, right? These particles are waves, right? This is the quantum wave. This is what you're trying to unfold. When you take the Make Manifest course, we're going to dive all the way into how to break this code and how to make things work for you in this illusion. Y'all see the earth is just a big uh mirror, right? A reflection. They have waves, we have waves, right?
Facts.
And it's about surfing on them waves. Hey, y'all know what it is. So look, hey, that's what I got for y'all, family. I'll go back and show y'all a little bit more, but hey, take the course. I can't make it up. Take the course because we're gonna dive all the way in to how to go within and then come back out in this illusional world and still, understand self to the fullest and, make manifest things out.